Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's pretty exciting. I love showing you guys stuff like this, and we're going to be going over the $549 product that I just launched. Again, that's not 500 units, you guys. It's 100 units, but it's to test it out, see how it goes. I have a really fast lead time. I have a 1 week lead time because it's such a light product. I'm able to do 3-day shipping with it. So if I run out, or if I start selling really well, say I'm selling 15, 20 a day within the first week and a half, obviously it's gonna go out of stock very quickly. But as soon as I have that confirmation, I'm kind of treating Amazon FBA like a stock investor. I don't just, as soon as it goes down, I don't just buy, right? I wait for confirmation to see that it's coming back up, and then I ride the wave up. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, that's okay. Essentially what I mean is I just want to see that inventory is selling before I go ahead and order 500 units. And that's how I was able to start $549. The cool part about this, you guys, and I'll show you here, if we look, I think it's this one. I have a couple that I showed you. Now that's 800. It's this one then. Okay, so here we go. That's not getting any bigger. Here, I could do that. So $549. You could see that right on the screen, and then the date is June 15th. So 9 days ago I ordered it. I already have it. And the cool thing is that, not really cool thing, but I ordered it to my house to do the inspection, make sure the inventory was good, and I'm actually going to be labeling it myself and sending it out to Amazon. So it's kind of bringing me back to like the arbitrage days. And again, don't think at any point that you're like above that. You can still do FBA and not have your supplier label the first order, right? It's all about like busting down the barriers to entry. If you're gonna start and it's either you don't start or you label your own units, and start selling on Amazon. So $549 for 100 units. That's all in, that's with shipping. So that means, carry the decimal point, right? Like in math class, 549 is our unit cost. And I plugged that into the AMZ FBA Scout calculator, just to show you guys what my profit margin is gonna be like on this specific product. So this one is, I put 5.5, we'll round up a little bit. And again, I'm gonna have to ship this to Amazon. I'm guessing the box weighs about 8 kilograms. So it'll probably be like maybe $30 to ship to Amazon. So I'm not really too worried about that. It's gonna be a matter of a couple pennies per unit. It's not that heavy of a box, and there's 100 units, and everything's in one box. So it should be pretty cheap. Maybe factor in, it's definitely not gonna be anywhere close to 50 cents per unit. I'm guessing $30, not really $50. So you could say that take away 30 cents here. Okay, so it's $14 profit per unit, we'll say. This is a seller that's selling right now, really, really bad listing. And I've actually gone ahead, and the one that I sourced is better than theirs. Obviously, you guys might, if you don't know how Amazon FBA works, go take the course, first link in the description. It's donation based, but you want to improve upon the competitors, right? Mine has a feature that theirs doesn't, and we'll just leave it at that. So 325 sales per month. They have one review. They've been selling for about a month now, so they're obviously not using email marketing correctly. And there's about 4 or 5 other competitors that are doing really well in this. Everyone has under 50 reviews. So it's a pretty new developing market, and it's not seasonal at all. It is a little bit of a higher barrier to entry. It's an electronic product. So I feel like a lot of people are kind of scared to sell it, most likely. And I did a lot of reading into TOS. I did a lot of reading into patents and designs. And that's why I'm going ahead and doing this. I actually even called Amazon, gave them the ASIN. That's a great tip for you guys. If you're ever curious if you can sell something, call Amazon. What you do, by the way, this is top level knowledge right here. Call Amazon customer service number. So if you just look up Amazon customer service, and it's going to be the customer service, right? Like if you're a Prime member, and all you have to say is, when it's right in the beginning, when it's on the automated part, it's going to be like, what are you calling for, shipping or blah, blah, blah. Just say seller, and it like transfers you over to seller support. It's like, I had to figure that out myself. I was just like frustrated one day. It was like a year ago, and I was just like, seller central, and it worked, and it still works. So you'll be able to talk to a seller representative. If you've never been able to get in touch with them, that's how you do it. So I have faith that this is going to be a 10K a month product, honestly. Really excited about this one. And this is just one. I've been a little bit more distant on YouTube lately because I've been so into my Amazon business. Shame on me, right? But I've launched like, I don't know, guys, like 4 products in the last month or so. One's going live today or tomorrow. Not this one. I actually made a video about that too. That was a $645 product. This one, the $550 product, just got here. And I also have some bigger orders that aren't as like bootstrap. Bootleg is like pirated. Bootstrap is when you start with a low budget. I think, I don't know, I might sound like an idiot. I might have got it wrong again. But like, for instance, here's like, this is a $1,300 order. That's completed. And then that's a totally different product. And then this is, oh, that's the one we were just looking at. There was a 15 in here somewhere. Was there? There's a 13. Oh, I didn't include the 15. There's also a 15. And then there's an 817, which is another one. That, I believe, is 150 units, something like that. Or maybe it was 100 units. It was a little more expensive. I think that's what it was. I think it's like an $8 product, 100 units. That's what that one is. But anyway, point being, guys, get started. Please go start. Like, don't give me any excuses. Don't give yourself any excuses. It's always the story that we tell ourselves that prevents us from just blowing through barriers and getting to the next level. I love making YouTube videos. So even though it's hard, like, I'm tired. I've been working my ass off. I'm still bringing you guys 5 videos a week. In the midst of doing all this and doing my business and talking to you guys. I coach some of you. So like, I'm super grateful, don't get me wrong, but it's just like, everyone has an excuse. I just am starting a product with $550. Like, I have people ask me if you could start with 2,000. Like, you could have started 4 with that much. Again, it's not perfect, but there's like always these people that want like perfect, like how to perfectly start Amazon FBA. I would argue that just starting and getting something on Amazon is the most important part. You know, if you don't agree with me, you could go watch someone who's a lot more formal, I guess, someone who's gonna try and sell you a $1,000 course and tell you it takes $4,000 to start. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna take you guys out of the computer. We're gonna go for a little walk, actually. I'm just gonna show you, because I have the stuff. Okay. Yeah. Let me just, give me a second. I gotta hide the product because it's actually out right now. It's messing around. Okay, cool. So, yeah, everything's good. I kind of prepped it before. Right down there is the box that it came in today. And you can see I have like a ton of Avery labels and tape on the ground. Flattering angle for sure. Yeah, I have this thing on like auto lock brightness, so that's not doing too well. But yeah, you can see right down here, we got the box that it came in. Believe it or not, 100 units fit in there. So it's pretty small product. And then I just have like some, what's going on? I just got like some FBA labels right there. Those are 30 up labels. So, you know, to put my barcode on it, those are like logo labels. And then the products, wow, I'm not good with this right now. The products are under there. So there's 100, well, there's 99 under here. And I got them all stacked up nicely in box formation. It's a pretty small product. So that's, you know, what I recommend you should start with if you have a low budget, especially like $500. If you're gonna go for something heavy, probably won't be able to do it with, you know, heavy. If you're gonna go for something heavy, you won't be able to start with $500. Like if your product cost is like $20, what are you gonna order, 40 units? I mean, again, you could do that, but I don't know where I'm going with this. I just wanted to share this with you because I thought it was amazing. Like, I do these little things all the time and I just kind of take it for granted because it's me, I'm doing it, but I know some of you really need the motivation. Like, I'm at the point where I just love launching products. Like, I have 6 active products now. I've sold a total of 8 products, all private label products on Amazon. 2 of them I ended up just dropping out. I have 6 currently. I'm really pumped about this, and I'm trying to hit my goal for this year was 10 products. I'm gonna blow that out of the water. Hopefully I could hit 20 products. That'd be crazy, but set your goals, analyze. We're halfway through the year. I'm more than halfway to acquiring my goal, so I'd say I'm doing pretty good. 10 private label products. But if you could take anything out of this, guys, just get started, okay? Pick a product. If you're even 60% sure that it's gonna work, you don't have to order 500 units. Order 100, and there will be people who try and stop you. Who cares? Tell them to screw off. This is for the people that just want to get started, okay? So don't make any excuses. Get started today. I'm certainly not making any excuses. And there will always be the people that are like, oh, it's easier for you to say. Well, maybe it is. I don't know, but I'm just sharing what I know. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down in the description. Leave a like on the video and comment something down below. I don't know what I said about the description. Anyway, you can tell I'm a little tired, had a little bit too much coffee today. Something's going on. I think I'm gonna like meditate or something. I need to chill out a little bit, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.